Hey guys, Tim here at 944 Central Headquarters of the Big Main Planet. It's Tim at CRE here. I wanted to share something with you guys that I have never run across before, so it's important to get that information out. If I haven't run across it, it's very likely that other guys haven't either. So we normally order these pressure plates and clutch kits together, as a unit. So get the disc, the pressure plate, the throwout bearing, yada yada, things like that, and we'll assemble the thing and get it all ready to go. Well, I've also been able to save people a lot of money by selling them just the clutch disc. When their rubber one breaks, we replace it with a spring-centered one. However, I just sold one and got it returned really quickly up the street because the guy said the disc would not fit into the center of the pressure plate like that. And we discovered in messing around, you see this is a brand new thickness clutch disc. It came out of a car used, but it's 8.1 millimeters thickness. So it's a beautifully preserved piece, if you will. So went to sell it and put it in the guy's pressure plate, and it won't go down inside. And I've never heard of that. So did some measuring, and it turns out that this surface right here, the friction surface on the pressure plate, this is one that is 36 millimeters in thickness right here. And you can probably see side to side, this one is wider. It's about 38 millimeters across here, 36 and 38. However, the difference in diameter is to the inside. So that's why this clutch disc won't drop down in. It just doesn't physically fit inside there, but it does on this guy. So, that's something I haven't run into before. There's two different sizes of pressure plates. So normally not a problem because we get the whole kit together. So just be aware of it, and if you're going to order a whole kit, get the whole kit and be done with it. If you're going to have a good disc, just the disc put in like this, you need to be aware of that difference between that 36 and 38 inner diameter pressure plate. Okay, see ya.